We can also nest dictionaries. Nested dictionaries, in my opinion, are even more useful than lists because it allows us to label our data. So now, instead of just having a dictionary that represents one employee record, what if I had a dictionary that represented all of the employees at my whole company? And each employee has an ID number that goes with that employee. And then the value, so this is a key in this main dictionary, this is a key. The value is whatever's to the right of the colon here, is a dictionary. And in that dictionary, it has a key and a value, a key and a value. So now I could say, give me employee one's name or employee three's job. So it allows me to just zip straight to the information that I want to know using words that make sense to me in ways that are very detailed. So for example, if I have that and I want to get the employee one's name, I would use something like this, where I use square brackets, the key, employee one, and then the key for the field that I want. But this, from a coding perspective, is immediately readable. There's no way I'm going to read this and not know what it is I'm looking for. And so that will return just this value. So really, really useful. We will absolutely be using these later in the class. Not yet. So to illustrate, just to label those for you, key and value. Okay, so in the main dictionary at level 1, those are the keys and values. Inside that dictionary, the level 2 dictionary, I have key, value, key, value. Okay, and you can see it's got the curly braces. So the whole value is just what's in those curly braces. And that's how we put together a nested dictionary.